Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandanang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Vindhavanam Manohar Vanchakalpataruvasya Kipasindhu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukham Karoti Vachalang Pangung Lang Haitigirim Yat Kipatamahang Bande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesava Sacha Sna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvattvayi Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottama Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Patrasya Prakasanecha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagodvaran Deyam Sada Paribhavagnam Abhishtadoham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panutapal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charunarvindam Jat Pada Pallavana Kachandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kamapi Gopavadu Swadarsi Purnanuragra Sasagra Saramurti Saradhikamai Kada Pam Karus Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavind Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavind Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanuka bodhato Sankirtanu kabitaro kamala yataksha Vishambaro dijavaro jugadharma palo Bande jagat priyakaro karuna bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Sura Surair Vandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha muktin cha dada sinitam Bhavanurupena sada naranam Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri nirantara vibhushi tabam bhagam Narayano priyamanango madhapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavishanatham Vagisajusva Padane Lakshmi Jasacha Bhaksasi Jasyasti Hidaya Sambhid Pam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Sakala bhuvana madhye nirdhanaste pidhanya nivasati hidijasam harer bhakti reka. Sakala bhuvana madhye nirdhanaste pidhanya nivasati hidijasam harer bhakti reka. Gauriya Goshtipati, Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that if I seek the path leading to that absolute good, then I must ignore the countless voices of popular wisdom and listen only to that of the realized soul. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that if I seek the path leading to that absolute good, then I must ignore the countless voices of popular wisdom and listen only to that of the realized soul. Because this is not a matter of joke. I cannot play with my valuable life. I cannot play with my valuable life. Because life is very important. I like to come out successful. So I like to submit unto a lotus feet of such a great exalted sadhu who can give me 100% benefit. Who can give me half benefit? I cannot submit it. Why I can submit? I cannot play a gamble, gambling I cannot do with my life. I can submit only unto a lotus feet of such a sadhu, great exalted, who can give me 100% benefit. 100% benefit means who can give me realization, direct realization about Bhagavad Bhakti. Who can make me feel, look, there is no alternative. The only way open. You accept it. You can get nectar. Whole life full of nectar. Infinity life. Infinity life. We are suffering. This life we are getting this kind of opportunity. Maybe next life, if we ignore, if we play game with bhajan, maybe next life Bhagavan cannot give this kind of opportunity, cannot give, I think. It is very rare. The sloka I started with, we are speaking, in the whole world, if you find somebody is very poor, like Sudama Vipro. Sudama Vipro was very poor. There is nothing to, no money, nothing, not even clothes. Whatever that Brahman used to get, he become Jadrichalavena Santushta. No dissatisfaction, because he was engaged in Hari Bhajan. He loved Krishna. So the sloka speaking, in the whole world, if you find somebody is very poor, but still he is successful, he is the richest of all men, who is having bhakti inside her. Because bhakti is the real property, absolute property. We think land, building, liquid money in bank, gold, ornament, property. But you cannot take that property with you. The gist of Gita, I like to speak in front of you. Whole Gita gist. Gita gist. Somebody crying. Bhagavan asking, why you are crying? I lost everything. Oh no! Crying. Bhagavan is nothing lost. When you took birth, you came free-handed, with a hand this. You brought nothing. What you collected, everything you collected you have collected from this world. Be it property, money, education, or any special technique, whatever you have. When you took birth, you never brought it from there. Even you have no idea where from you are coming and where you can go away. But still you are developing affinity for material things, money, property, fighting, court case, killing. This is going on. So Bhagavan speaking, why you are crying? I lost everything. Nothing lost. You are foolish. You look into the matter. When you took birth, you came free-handed. When you can go away from this world, free hand. That is Hindi kirtan, the Punjabi they are singing, foolish. They have no idea. Mutti band ke aya jagat mein, हाथ पसारे जाएगा क्या लेकर तू आया जग में क्या लेकर तू जाएगा Hindi they are speaking. What you brought here and what you take with me, nothing. Be careful. The only property, bhakti, you can carry with you because bhakti not going to be destroyed. It is there. Stay with your Atma. All other thing, whatever you gather with your material mind, body and body-related thing, everything you are doing. Nothing else. So, bhakti is the real property. Sudama Vipra was very poor. He was a friend of Krishna, come on. He was a very close friend of, but still never wanted to ask, Krishna, you are Supreme Lord, you give me money. Never. Never speak. Never. Even when gone to Dwaruka to meet with friend, then also after meeting with Krishna, he never wanted to ask, my friend, I am a very poor, you give me some money and property, so that I can. When he is coming back from Dwaruka, he is thinking, my friend is so merciful that he is not going to deprive me, cheat me by giving me money, property, anything. Because he is useless. He is so merciful, he is not giving me money, property, because if property is there, I can be busy with property, I cannot remember him. So it's very, very kindly. He has not given. The sloka I started, we also speaking the same. Sakalo bhuvana moddhe nirdhanaste pithanya nivasati hidijisam harir bhakti rekha. Only Hari Bhakti is there. Full Hari Bhakti is the richest man in the world. So, Prabhupada speaking, I cannot play with my life. I can submit unto a lotus feet of such a Guru, exalted Guru, who can take Bhagavan and put in my lap. Krishna tomar, Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite paro. Singing na Gita, but you cannot feel. Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite paro, tomaro sakati aaj. Krishna is your property. If you want, you can give Krishna to me, which is not possible by austerity, finances, so much in a jagya, so much life of life. But you can give. If you want, tumi dile dite paro. So, Prabhupada speaking, only I can submit unto the lotus feet of such an exalted Guru, who can give me 100% benefit, who cannot cheat me with material thing, money, position, nothing. Because all duration of enjoyment of your life is only for 2 days. There is no surety. So, now we find Naradji Maharaj going to invite Chatussan, Chatussan going to arrange Bhagavad Katha, and one time, even one time in your life, if you hear Bhagavad Katha from the lotus mouth of a pure devotee, who is Mahabhagavat, all your problem can be solved. But we have no time. We have time to die. We have no time to do Hari Bhajan. We can die, because who can stop? If death coming to me, I cannot say, well, now I am busy, you come after. Cannot. Can say, I am busy now, I am busy, you can come after, I can. Death coming means you have to go away. But still we are so foolish, we are not ready to give any time to Hari Bhajan, which is the most practical thing in this whole universe. Rather, we can give time for Maya. We can give time to Maya. Maya we can give. So, you can remember yesterday I was speaking. What is the utility of hearing all different Shastra? Whereas once, what is the reason for why you are consulting Shastra? What is the reason? Because you like to get benefit out of that. What benefit? You like to get bhakti, you like to get Krishna. Or some cheater there, they can memorize Shastra and they can recite and collect money. That they can do, maximum. But actually point is that Shastra mean, what is the meaning of Shastra, you know? Shastra means shasan, controlling, ruling. We like to be controlled by Shastra. Shastra means shasan. Hey, don't do it. Shastra means like one guardian saying, hey, don't do it. Thought, sit. They have a problem. Shastra is like our guardian. Shastra is like a guardian in our life. Shastra guiding us. Don't do it. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Arjuna, what to do, what not to do, all is there, clearly written in Shastra. So, according to Shastra, you can guide your life. Not that whimsically. I like it, I dislike it, you like and dislike. What is the meaning? You like and dislike? What is the benefit? Who can care? Who is going to care? I like, I don't like. Who are you? For two days you have come in this world. So Bhagavan speaking to Arjuna, what to do, what not to do, all written in Shastra, according to that you have to do. Tasmat Shastra Pramanante, Karja Vyavasthit. What to do, what not to do, all written in Shastra, according to that you can guide your life. If you do fancifully, that's up to you. You can destroy your life. So Shastra means guardian, who is going to control us. Who is going to control us. Shastra means guardian. Because father, mother, they love us. If you are going to do some dangerous work, don't do. Sit. They chide us. So Shastra going to chide us. Shastra like to control us so that we can go, to our perfect destination in life. So, yesterday we told, Chatussan speaking, what is the utility of different Shastra, whereas Bhagavatam itself is the king. Only by reading Krishna, Bhagavad Gita Mahaprana, can get everything. Our Prabhupada told, Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat or Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita is complete itself. If there is a big flood all over the world, all inundated, I can take Chaitanya Bhagavat in my grip, embrace, and I can float in the water of flood. This much faith you should have in your life about Bhagavatam. So, It is written, King Srutoir Bahuvi Sastrair Puranaischa Brahmavahi Ekam Bhagavatam Sastram Yuktidanena Garjati Muktidanena Garjati. Only Bhagavatam is more than enough. Because why? Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran is no other than Krishna. You remember morning time I was discussing about sound, vibration, Sabda Tattva, all. I was discussing. So, about Bhagavatam it is written, Sukdev Goswami speaking, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Krishna Evahi. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Krishna Evahi, affirmative. Krishna himself, in the form of books, yes. In the form of books. Sound. In the form of sound. Sukdev Goswami in another place told, Sri Krishna parivartitaha. Sri Krishna coming now, here although topics can come, by watching the full disturbance of Kali, Bhagavan going to give all power in Srimad Bhagavatam. That can come. King Sutoir Bahubi Sastroi Puranaischo Brahmavahi Ekam Bhagavatam Sastram Muktidane Garjati. In this regard, we can find Rupa Goswami Pada writing different kind of shastra. Some man is there. He read this shastra, this shastra, this shastra. But Bahu Shastra Gantho Abhyas Nisiddho, it is strictly prohibited for devotees, those who like to get bhakti. Because different shastra, countless. You have doubts. You can read this. It is written this. No. This shastra is also written this. You cannot. That's why Prabhupada told, you need not go through Mahabharata. You need not go through anything. You like Bhakti na? Then you go through Chaitanya Charitamrita. Nothing else. You will be in confusion. Oh, it is written there. Again it is written this. Oh, then what is the solution? Who can find? Only pure Guru Vaishnava, they can harmonize all contradictory issues, what all you are facing, contradictory issues, only pure Guru Vaishnava can harmonize. You can express doubt, you can fall down, you can never come outside. That's why, be careful. Prabhupada told, only you go on doing Nam Sankirtan, hear Gaudiya, Patrika, Harikatha, you hear. You need not go through Mahabharata. If you go to, oh my God, this Rishi done this. Oh, this Rishi done this. Vedavyas done this. You cannot harmonize, you can fall down. Big fall down. That's why, what Guru Varga is speaking, you pay attention to that. Need not hear. Mahayanu yenu gato sapantha. Guru mukha padma bhakya hridayate koriya oikko arna koriyo mani asa. You should not reserve any personal right. Only and only you will have to harmonize with pure Guru Vaishnava. Completely dovetailed. Otherwise you cannot come out successful. Big problem. This way, I told, no Ganga, no Gaya, Kasi Puskaram, no Prayagam, Sukha Sastro Kathayascha Phalena Samatam Nayet. Yesterday I told, Tapat Papani Dehe Aspin Nivasanti Tapodhanaha Yavat Nasriyati Sammat Srimad Bhagavatam Narai. So long as one man not hearing Bhagavad Katha from right source, till then all sinful activities he can permit from her. All sins can be there, accumulated. Whenever he is hearing Bhagavatam, all sin, far like birds, fly away. If you clap, birds can go away. Suppose so many birds sitting in a tree, then all birds gone. Also, Chatusran speaking, no Ganga na Gaya Kasi Puskaram na Prayagam Shuka Sastro Kathayascho Falena Samatam Nayat. One can prefer to go to Allahabad, Triveni Sangam. Just a few months ago, previous year, I forget. There was Kumbh Mela, you heard? So many. There's a very special Kumbh. After long period, the star position coming, everybody running. I never go to Kumbh Mela to take bath. I take bath in Harikatha. I don't interest. I'm no interest in it. Because I'm more effective. More effective now. So, Sukha Shastra, Srimad Bhagavatam can never be compared even with Ganga Snan, Ganga, Gaya, Kasi, Puskar, Prayag, wherever you go, you can take bath. But this never be compared with, follow. This way, Bhagavad is the topmost thing. Nothing can be compared with Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran hearing. Uktam Bhagavatam Nityam Kritancha Harishintanam Tulsi Posaram Chaivo Dhenuna Sevanam Sama. Somebody worshipping Bhagavatam, Tulsi, Ganga, all Todiya Vastu, so can give nice result. Anto Kaletu Jainaiva Suryate Sukha Sastra Bhag Pritva Tasvaiva Vaikuntham Govinda Opi Prajachati. At the end of life, when somebody is going to leave his body, somehow it happens so. Like the case of Parikshit Maharaj. Anyway, Parikshit Maharaj is going to leave body. Parikshit Maharaj is going to leave body within 7 days, no? Only 7 days due. And whereas in our life there is no written documents, at least Parikshit Maharaj getting warning, at least Parikshit Maharaj getting warning that within 7 days you will have to leave body. If you like to take preparation, you can take. But in our life, there is no guarantee. Parikshit Maharaj got. Parikshit Maharaj received guarantee. And at least within 7 days I am not going to die. So within 7 days I can find out some solution. But what about you and me? What about you and me? You have no guarantee. I have no guarantee when we can leave body. So, at the time of death, if somebody can get the chance to hear Bhagavatam Sukha Sastra Bhakti Pritva with full love, he is surely Krishna going to accept him. Those who are going to give donation to an exalted sadhu, golden Singhasan and Bhagavatam, if you give donation to great sadhu Vaishnava, then you can get result, absolute result. I gave donation to Guru Mahajan Bhagavatam, Mool, Sanskrit, but not with Singhasan, only Bhagavatam. So this way, Bhagavad Katha is very rare, simply because who can speak? Bhagavad book you can buy from market. You have money. But how you can realize? Who can explain? Prabhupada used to say, Granto Bhagavat and Bhakto Bhagavat. Two Bhagavats. One is Granto Bhagavat, another is Bhakto Bhagavat. Bhakto, devotee Bhagavat and book Bhagavat. Devotee Bhagavat should be giving more honor, because without, without this Bhakta Bhagavat, who can explain? Just like physics, chemistry, legal book, I can open book and read, it's not possible. That you cannot. So, you will have to depend upon pure Guru Vaishnava, those who are Mahabhagavat. Bhagavat can understand Bhagavat. Only who is Bhagavat, I mean, in the life of those living Bhagavat. He is also living Bhagavat, but in the form of books. We can find all in applied form. All what is written in Bhagavatam, we can find in the life of Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj in applied form. What is written there? In applied form. And without Mahabhagavat Guru Vaishnava, who can explain Bhagavatam? I can buy market from market book, I can read, I can understand? Not at all. I can give one example. Even the deities of Gauranga, but Gauranga Nam, suppose Krishna deity is there, but the name of Krishna is more than deity. Why? Why so? Ram se bada Ram ka naam. All devotees are singing in Ayodhya, here, there. Ram se bada Ram ka naam. Ramchandra standing and Hanumanji writing Jai Sri Ram in the stone and going to throw in the water and the stone floating. This way Hanumanji Maharaj was successful to make a bridge up to Sri Lanka to kill Ravan. Krishnanam is far more than Krishna himself. Though same. This is actually loveful expression. Krishna and Krishnanam all same. But still we would say, Rupa Goswami writing, Bhacho Bhachakam Bhavato Sarupodayam, Rupa Goswami was speaking. You have both Sarup. One is like sound and another is Sarup, Vigraha. Purvasmat Paro. I mean the Nam is more important than you. Because who can unveil the mystery of your Vigraha? Suppose you are taking one Gaur Vigraha. This example can clarify this point. Suppose you are going to get Gaur Vigraha, you are coming here in Gaurdham. Suppose you think, I can take one Gaur. Then you are going to give this Gaur Vigraha in front of a very tribal man who has no idea, very tribal man in Africa, in the forest. You put the Vigraha there. You test. Tunisia, Rhodesia, whatever. You go and keep the day. They can, any tribal boy can, they can use one kind of, doll. They can play. They can play, they can abuse. So, Gaur Vigraha, you came to know, you also in your life. You never knew who is Gauranga. Whenever you came to know through Aprakita Sabda Brahma, and that Aprakita Sabda who spoke, maybe some sadhu. This way, now the mystery is clear. Gauranga is this, oh, so much. So, Gaur Vigraha is there. You have no idea what you can understand. You can ignore. You can throw even. Useless, what is this? But when you can know, then you can give value. No, this Gauranga. How? Through Aprakita Sabda Brahma you came to know. Otherwise you don't know. This way you can give value, you can give importance, honor, love, everything, because by now you know this is not one idol. This is Bhagavan himself. Bhagavan coming in this form. Own form and deity also, Naam also, different. Bhagavan can appear. So this way, if you can realize what is the gravity of that Bhagavatam, then you can give honor. Otherwise, if there is Bhagavatam in your library, you can do that is Sanskrit. You cannot give any value to that. This way, Bhakta Bhagavat is more important in the sense Bhakta Bhagavat can clarify all points. Bhakta Bhagavat have the power to give Krishna to me. Many times Gauranga appeared, but he was playing the role of a devotee most of the time. He also speaking this way. So, devotees, those are great exalted devotees, Mahabhagavat, they can give Bhagavan to me. Material man, having billions of dollars, cannot give. Any amount of money power, manpower, educational power, we cannot, we can put challenge. But still, that aprakita sattva, absolute truth, cannot manifest in front of me. Simply because I am foolish. I have doubt. In Upanishad also written. Upanishad also written. Bhagavan can manifest his own sarup in front of those devotees. Whom Bhagavan accepted. You are mine. Otherwise Bhagavan can. Whatever you do, whatever you like to, you can do. Now, Shanukadi Rishi is speaking. So, before that, actually, Shanukadi Rishi now speaking, putting question. You can remember, Shanukadi Rishi allows Sutadev Goswami to sit in the asana. That was the beginning. Now in between so many figures come. Follow. In between so many figures come. Chotusan already told. They are speaking Bhagavatam. Haridhar, Ananda Namak taught there, where Naraji Maharaj sitting in the asana of a main person who is hearing fast. And all other Risimani, everything. Anyway, we can go back and understand. Sanuk vacho shascharja metat katham kathanakam jnanadi dharmana viganajasam pratam nisriyase bhagavatam puranam jatam kuto jogo vidadi suchakam. All different kind of ekhane. Now, by now, it is clear to us, because you started speaking, Gyan, Vairagya, other different kind of modes of bhajan, cannot give effective result. And Jiva can try different way, but Srimad Bhagavat, how Srimad Bhagavat appeared, which way, to give maximum benefit to us all. Whereas the Kali Yuga is totally devastated by the influence of Kali. To save us, how and when this Bhagavatam appeared, Sutadev Goswami, Sanukadi Rishi putting question to him. Now Sutadev Goswami is speaking, who is the speaker. Jada Krishno dharam tyaktva sapadam gantumuddataha ekadasam parisrutyapi uddhavo bhakkam avibrit. When at the end of Dapar, Krishna was supposed to go away. When almost at the end of Dapar, when Krishna is taking preparation to go away from this material world to his own abode, that time Uddhavji Maharaj wanted to put same question. why and how. Uddhavji Maharaj told, again we can go back. You see, who is speaking, who is speaking. If you lose track, you cannot understand. First of all, Sutadev Goswami came in Noimi Sarana, Sanokadu Rishi, with great honor, allow in the Vyasasana. He started speaking. In between he is speaking about the old history, what happened, about Bhaktidev, what happened. After that, Naraji meeting with Chatussan, Chatussan speaking. After that, in between, again, they are going back. So, Sutadev Goswami is speaking, Jada Krishna Dharam Taktva Sapadam Gantumuddataha Ekadasam Parisrutyapi Uddhavo Bhakkam Ivam Avarpit. That time, when Krishna taking preparation, long ago, Vaikuntha, when he like to claim, then Uddhav Mahasaya Krishnamukhi, Ekadas Kanduktu Dadas, he wanted to ask all, because Dadas Kanda, 12 canto is the conclusion. Actually, 12 canto is the conclusion. Whatever you read, whatever that, up to 12 canto, okay, not bad. But 11 canto, up to 11 canto, effective Bhagavatam is almost. And in 12 canto, all glorification. What all parampara, what king can come in future, what will happen, after that what will happen. This way all historical things are there. So, Uddhava wanted to put question. I have no time to discuss all in details. So, before climbing the eternal abode, Bhagavan Sri Krishna then wanted to speak all Bhagavatam, all Bhagavad Dharma, what I am discussing in the morning time. What I am discussing in the morning time. That all. This way, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, before going away from this material world, it is written, Uddhav speaking, you are going away, then how we can live? There is no support. Then Bhagavan told, that okay, I can enter into this book, Bhagavatam. All power I can give in. Sakyam jad bhavet teyaha tacha bhagavate adadhat. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is saying, I can come, you can find me inside Bhagavatam. You can find me inside Bhagavatam. So, Bhagavatam and I myself are identical. Don't worry. So Bhagavan disappeared and in the form of Bhagavatam is now in front of us staying. Teno ayam, that is why that Bangmaya Murti in the form of Prakriti Sabda Brahma, Teno ayam Bangmaya Murti pratiksha vartate harehe. This way, we can 100% depend upon Srimad Bhagavatam, because that Bhagavatam can save us. Save us is completely we can get benefit from Bhagavatam, no problem. Because in Kalikal, Leela Avatar Krishna not doing. Leela Avatar is prohibited in Kalikal. Kali is contaminated, full of contradiction, full of contamination. So, in Kalikal, Bhagavan cannot appear directly. But Gauranga appearing, then Gauranga appearing. But Gauranga appearing in the guise of devotee. Not clearly. Gauranga appearing in the form of devotee. Don't like to speak, I am devotee. I am Krishna, myself. By chance, by the mercy of Guru Varga and Shastra, we came to know that Bhagavan Sri Krishna, he himself is Bhagavad. So now, after that, it is written, Saptaho Sravanam Teno Sarvebhyo opi adhikam kritam sadhanani tiraskritta kalu dharmo ayam iritaha. This way, it is hard, it is written in Shastra, that within 7 days, if you can heard all the gist of Srimad Bhagavatam, all the gist of Srimad Bhagavatam, all different kind of sadhan like vairagya, any kind of thing, you can get more and more benefit. Of course, you will have to depend upon right source. From right source you have to, and you must be very sincere to hear it. Otherwise, not. It is a commitment there. So, any kind of problem, all can be solved this way. Sutadev Goswami speaking, this way, when Harikatha was arranged, Sutadev Goswami speaking, when this Harikatha was arranged, Sutadev Goswami, Evam nagrao sravano savano uru dharmer pakassamani risibhi sabhayam. When Sutadev Goswami, Anantar, Sanakadi, Risigan, Prabhuto Dharma Saptaho Sabanena Mahima, whenever Chatussan went on glorifying this kind of glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam within 7 days, then there was one strange incident happened. What is that? Anu? What happens, Bhakti Devi, you can remember, originally, Bhakti Devi crying, apprising her own pain because two sons, Jnana Vairagya. Again you can go back to that memory. Naraji told, well, I can find solution. Now that Bhakti Devi, whenever Bhagavad glorification was there, recitation going on, immediately Bhakti Devi with her two sons, Jnana Vairagya, suddenly appeared in the assembly. They say, who coming? Where from? Suddenly appear. Bhakti Devi. Bhakti sato tau tarunau grihitva premaika rupa sahasa abhirasit Sri Krishna Govindo Hare Murare Nathe Tinamani Muhur Badanti. Always doing kirtan. Sri Krishna Govindo Hare Murare. Natheti he Nath, Namane Muhur Badanti. He's speaking loudly, Sri Krishna Govindo Hare Murare. Natheti Namane Muhur Badanti. This way appeared there. Everybody was. Because anyway, Bhakti Devi very beautiful. Bhakti Devi Sarup Shakti. Jnana Vairagya appear. What happens? Who coming suddenly here? Appear. How? This way, all problem. All, in the Sabha, there was some disturbance. Curiosity. Who? Very Kamala Lochana, Bhakti Devi, very good looking. And Jnana Vairagya also getting back health. Anyway, this way, Kumara, Uchu Kumara Vachanam Tadanim Tathartoto Nispotita Odhuneyam Evam Girahasa Sasuta Nishammo Satkumaro Nijagad Namro. Kumar Chatussan, they told, at present, Bhakti Devi appeared from the inner meaning of Bhagavatam. Because you all are absorbingly hearing Bhagavad with full bhakti, and speaker Chatussan, the great Chatussan, Naraji is the main man who is hearing. So due to their influence, Bhakti Devi could not stop coming here. So that's why Bhakti Devi appeared here. From Bhagavad Katha itself bhakti coming, not from anywhere. Bhakti will be resting in the Bhagavatam. So, with two of her sons, Bhakti Devi, after hearing all the Aprakita Sabda Brahma, speeches, with humble mood, going to request to Sanat Kumar Adi. Now Bhakti Devi going to express gratitude. Now Bhakti Devi going to express humble gratitude unto the lotus feet of Chatussan. And Naraji Maharaj already, he Bhavadhir Advaivo Kritvasmi Pushta Koli Pranashtapi Katha Rasena Kaham Tu Tishtami Adhuna Brabhantu Brahma Idam Tvam Giram Uchirete. Bhakti Devi is speaking. I was feeling disturbance due to the influence of Kala, Kali, but still, by hearing all the nectarian Bhagavad Katha from you all, I get back my health, and all my two sons also appear, but I am requesting you, where my two sons can stay, where to stay. You please try to identify, because everywhere they cannot get any value. Who can give value to Gyan Vairagya if Bhakti is there? So, where I can stay with Gyan Vairagya, my two sons, Hey Brahmaputra, you are the oldest of all old sons of Brahma. You are the first. Brahmaputra, no? Brahma, his sons. So I request him where to say, you specifically point out. Then Kumara Uchu, Kumara Uchu, Chatussan speaking, Bhaktesu Govindo Sarupa Karti, Premaiko Dhatri, Bhavarog Hanti, Swatamcha, Tishtasya, Sudhairya Sangsraya, Nirantaram, Vaishnavanam, Asanan. They are speaking, you can stay inside the heart of those devotees. Because wherever you are staying, Govinda is bound to come. Govinda is bound to come. And where Bhagavatam is there, Govinda can come. So, Bhakteshu Govinda Sarupa Karti, because you are the Sarup Shakti. You are the Sarup Shakti of Bhagavan. You can allow prem to come in the heart of devotee, if you want so. And any kind of material disease can disappear by your presence. So, any kind of, death and birth, or different kind of attraction, this, that, all anartha, all can go away. Ateb, Chatussan speaking, you can keep patience, because you can get place in the heart of those Vaishnava. Vaishnava Ganer Hidaya Khetya Avasthan Kuru. I allow you, you ask me where to stay. Those pure Vaishnavas, inside their heart, if you stay, both benefit. First of all, you can get nourishment because Bhakti is there. Second, if Bhakti is there, they can go on reciting Bhagavatam and they can distribute Bhakti to others. Because Vaishnavas can distribute. Because Vaishnavas, they can distribute Bhakti. Bhakti Devi directly cannot come, no? Through Bhakta. So, that's why I request you, you can go and get your place inside the heart of those pure devotees, safely you can say, without any disturbance. And if Bhakti Devi is there, automatically Gyan Vairagya can stay. If Bhakti Devi is there, automatically Gyan Vairagya can stay there. But we separate identity, impossible. If Bhakti Devi there, if you pull your ear, automatically your head can go. Follow. Guru Maharaj told one Gomata not coming back from field, applying force, fighting. And he told, if he can take the calf in the lap and go, then automatically mother can go. Why you are putting and so much energy giving? So, this way, Bhagavad Saptaho, Harikatha and Bhakti Devi establishment inside the heart of everybody is confirmed. Sakala bhuvana madhye niddhanasto pidhanya nivasati hidijasam si hari bhakti reka haridapi nijalokam sarvathato vihayo pravisati hidijasam bhakti is sutropanadhya. To Narad, Bhagavan already told. So Naradji Maharaj, Bhagavan already told, where my devotees are singing Kirtan, Sri Krishna Govindo Hare Murare, this one. Wherever Harikatha Kirtan there, Bhagavan speaking, Madbhakto Yatro Gayanti, Madbhakto Yatro Gayanti, Tattva Tistami Narada. Narad, where my devotees are singing the glories, be sure I am present there. Maybe you cannot see, I am hiding myself. Maybe you cannot see, I am hidden form. It is confirmed. In Brihad Bhagavatamrita also everywhere, in Shastra. Bhagavan can stay in fine form in the assembly where Bhagavad Katha going from heart with loveful mood. Surely, it is the commitment of Bhagavan Sri Krishna to Naradji, Madbhakto Yatro Gayanti Tattva Tistami Narada. Now we are entering into the 4th chapter, which is relating to Gokarna Upakhyan. Gokarna Upakhyan here. Here actually Sutadev Goswami speaking, this kind of excellency going on in the assembly of Chatussan. Sutadev Goswami reciting all long ago what happened. Sutadev Goswami speaking, Suto Vacha Atho Vaishnava Chitte Suddhishta Bhaktim Alaukikim Nijalokam Paritvajya Bhagavan Bhaktavassalaha. By watching devotees, devotion is there, bhakti is there, alaukik bhakti inside the heart of Vaishnava, then Bhagavan appear in the assembly also. Bhagavan appear. He say, bhakti is there, Bhakti Devi entering into, then Bhagavan immediately appear there also. Follow. Sutadev Goswami speaking, Atho Vaishnava Chitteshu Drishtva Bhaktim Alaukikim Nijalokam Paritvajyo Bhagavan Bhaktavassalaha. Now Bhagavan, by watching, oh, in this Bhagavad Katha, whole assembly, everybody getting bhakti, Bhagavan could not stop coming here. Bhagavan could stay in hidden form, but Bhagavan could not stop himself. Of course, the assembly was very divine assembly, all big Rishi-muni also. Not that any assembly Bhagavan can appear. So, Vanomali Ghanashyamaha Pitaba Samanuharaha Kanchi Kalaparuchiro Lasat Mukut Kundalaha. All Bhagavan appear when? Vanomali. All garland nice, Ghanashyam. Body is like a bright, new cloud, very bright color, pitabas or golden cloth, very beautiful looking. Bhagavan appear. Everybody looking what? Suddenly, what we see, that is the success of that assembly of Bhagavad Katha. Vanamali Ghanasyamaha Pitabha Samanoharaha Kanchi Kalaparuchiro Lasat Mukut Kundalaha Tribhanga Lalito. Bhagavan saying this way. One leg and another leg this way. Bhagavan saying, Tribhanga Lalito. 3 places bent, like this way. And bent, leg is there. 3 bent. It is like throne. If one throne entering into your body, If the throne is very straight throne, you can take it out. If the throne going inside your leg, so you can somehow arrange the throne to come out with straight. But if the throne is like, Vrindavan there, Gokhuru, Kanta, this, that, it can go inside. It cannot go, man. You try to get it out, it got there. So Krishna is like a throne. When somehow, by chance, out of causeless mercy entering our heart, anyhow we cannot drive him out. Ah, Krishna, get out, cannot. Once entered, cannot get out. That's why Krishna is always standing three. Once this, and this way, this leg is there, three bend, this, there. This way. So, Tribhanga lalitos charu kostubena virajitaha. Vaikuntha Parshad, they all, those who are passenger coming, Sarupa Mukti, they are like Bhagavan. Like Bhagavan. But the only difference is that Bhagavan having specially Kostubamani, special jewel here, which you cannot find with his Vaikuntha Parshad. You cannot find. Another is that one sign is there, Vrigu Chinna, that you cannot find. That by watching these two symptoms, you can understand it's not Bhagavan, or he is Bhagavan, this way. So, Tribhanga lalitas charu kostubena virajitaha koti manmathalavanno harishchandana charchitaha. Harichandana charchita, Bhagavan appeared. Paramananda, everybody started dancing, and Kartal, Midango, all they started. Paramananda Murti Madhura Muridharaha Avivesha Sabhaktyanam Hridayani Amalani Cha. What? Paramananda Chinmurti Madhura Muridharaha Avivesha Sabhaktyanam Hridayani Amalani Cha. Vaikuntha Vasino Jecha Vaishnava Uddhavadayoho Tat Katha Savanartham Te Guru Rupena Sanastita. Up to now, in the assembly, so many important personalities, they came in hidden form. They are not going to expose, I am Uddhav, Arjun, all different. They came in hidden form. They are not going to. Now they are going to expose. Vaikuntha Vasinaho Jecha Vaishnava Uddhavadayoho Tat Katha Savanartham Je Guru Rupena Sansitaha. What all they came but in hidden form. Now, Tada Jayo Jayo Ravo Raso Pusti Alaukiki Churna Prasuna Vistischa Muhu Sankho Rabo Opi Abod. From different places, Sankadani Pu, or from up, they are throwing puspa, flowers, Jai, 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 Govindo, Krishna, Ki Jai Ho. This way there. And this way, big Sankirtan took place now. Big Sankirtan, Tato Niloke Nonu Nasti Kinchit Chittasya Saudhanayu Kalu Pavitram. This kind of purification procedure, through Bhagavad Katha, this is absolute. We cannot compare with anything. This way, already it is confirmed. Kumara Uchu, now Chatussan speaking, Je Manova Papakritastu Sarvada Sada Duracharavata Bimargaha. All different kind of bad activities those were involved. All different, all wrong activities, whole life. But still, they can get purified by hearing Bhagavad Katha. Kaena vacha manasa pipatakam nityam prakurvanti satahate naje saras sapushta malina durasaya saptaho yogyena kalau punantite. Kalau punantite, those who are very murkha, always engage in different kind of sinful activities by body, speech and mind, those who are living on the by taking help of other people, I mean somehow snatching, cheating, somehow they are living their life very peacefully. They are cheating after they are going to AC room, nice, Dubai, here, there, 5-star, 10-star, 15-star hotel they are staying. Inside water, they are taking coffee. Under sea, there is a restaurant. Under sea, there is a restaurant. If you take one cup of coffee, how many dollars you have to pay? You can see all fish and shark moving around, glass all around, this way. This is the age now, condition. So, now, actually, Chatussan going to speak, Kumara Uchu, that one very important incident, Chatussan speaking. Long ago, one incident happened. Now I like to quote that incident. You can get enthusiastic power, you know. But long ago, long ago, at the bank of Tungabhadra river, there was one village. There are different kind of people used to stay, because Sudra, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Brahman, all there. There was one very nice man, very nice. Nice in the sense, according to the calculation of material. Very nice, peaceful. He was Atmadev. His name was Atmadev. So, Chatussan speaking, Atrote Kirtvai Swami Itihasam Puratanam Jasso Sabanamatreno Papahani Prajayate. After hearing, all you can cut all sinful things. Tungabhadra Tate Purvam Abhut Pattamam Uttamam. There was nice Pattan, one city, nice. Yatro Varnaha Sadharmena Satto Satkaramo Tatparaha. All people there, they all were engaged in Sadharma, because Sadharma is the beginning point. Sadharma. I can discuss this point tomorrow. Sadharma. Sadharma means you are Kshatriya, your duty is to do accordingly. You are Vaishya, you cannot act like Brahman. Sadharma. You are Brahman, you cannot act like one leatherman, stitching chapel. Cannot do. So according to Sadharma, they used to lead their life very nicely. Very nice. There was one man, Brahman, his name was Atmadev. Sarva Veda Visharada. He knew Vedas, Vedanta, everything. He used to run his life by worshipping deity. I mean judgment. Like Brahman doing Jagat is there. Ar Sautos Marteshu Nisnato Dityo Iva Bhaskara. He used to live his life not like pure devotee. He used to lead life like Smarta, you know, Karma Kandi people. He used to lead his life like Karma Kandi people. And now he is going to speak. He married one lady, her name is Dhunduli Devi, very dangerous lady, always fighting mood all the time. No solution. So he was feeling disturbance. Okay? After there was a big problem took place, that I can discuss tomorrow. Today I cannot. So I can discuss what will happen. Sakala bhuvana mudre nirdhanaste pidhanya nivasati hidijesam hare bhakti rekha. See Hare bhakti rekha. Vancha kalpatarosya. Kipa sindhu bevacha patitanam pavane bhavishnam.